Here we are on the 5th Monday night session of the 36-week-long season. We're halfway through the first quarter of the season, and achieving all of my end-of-season goals by the end of the first quarter seems to be very attainable. I'd like to get on the positive side of all of my goals as soon as possible, though. I've been making the 245 and 2458 spares at a consistently high rate recently, and fortunately I made the 2458 spare the 3 times that I left it in game 1. Unfortunately, I missed the 10-pin spare in the 7th frame by a lot. I really have no excuse for missing the 10-pin as badly as I did.
Kings and Queens. The 10th round. One strikeout with RJ Underwood for the scratch. Sitting
I may have made a premature ball change after the split in the third frame. I never got back into a rhythm after that. Then the missed 4-pin in the 8th frame and leaving the 5-pin on what I felt was a solid shot in the first rack of the 10th frame brought down the final score. However, I know what I need to work on moving forward, and I'm feeling optimistic about reaching all of my end of season goals by the end of the first quarter. For anyone that has made it this far into the video, I appreciate you watching.